Good morning, welcome back to the original Dr. Bieber Ranch. I'm here documenting the turning off of the water on the 28th of September. This is the flow we got today. At the end of the flow of 36.6 hours. See my neighbor up there looking at me already with his binoculars through his pickup truck. And so this is what it looks like this morning. Okay, well, certainly nowhere near the high point. It is getting towards the end of the season. I suppose they'll have some excuse about that, having to turn down water to everybody and everything like that. But that's fine. Anyway, I'm out here documenting water flow on the old 37 ranch. Right there. 28th. Yeah, there he comes. I don't want to have any confrontations with this bozo, so I'm just gonna cut her short right now. Turning off the water. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to be the one that has to turn the water off. I've been doing it for 6 years now for just courtesy, but I don't fail on that. So don't forget to continue the ongoing struggle and stay tuned.